Hey guys, what's up? Sorry for the not too great quality. I'm recording this on a webcam. It's new to me. Uh, it's all right, you know. I'll use it more for like when I do gaming stuff on the gaming channel, which you can find in the description. Um, I just want to say sorry for the lack of videos for the last 2 weeks, or I guess just weeks. So this week's video is actually the one I recorded last week, and I didn't get a chance to record this week's because of things. I had a lot of things to do in Christmas, which hope you all had a merry one if you celebrate Christmas. But if you don't, that's cool. So, happy holidays, Um, so yeah, I'm still a little new at this. I need to get some lighting over here. I'm thinking about getting some LED or fluorescent lighting over here, which I'm actually using an LED flashlight right there in my phone right below me. So yeah, it's all right though. I do have the right microphone though, so that's good. So this week's video, keep in mind this video updates on choir and the but some other stuff and uh, Star Wars. I saw Star Wars. I'll talk a little bit about that. I don't spoil anything. I mean, I hope you all see the movie now. It's been out for a week, so yeah. That's about it. And keep in mind, this was recorded a week ago, so it's not going to be the most current, but hopefully it should be, you can understand what's going on, so, and everything. So, other than that, guys, I'll see you guys then. Bye-bye.
Hey everyone, Thomas here from Thunderbolt Films, and today I'm recording this the same day I'm releasing it. I wanted to give you guys some updates on what's been going on these last this past week. So, and a lot's happened, and most importantly, it's crazy to think, but you may remember last week I posted a video of me, actually singing, first time recording myself, and I admit, there's some flaws in there, it was a bit offbeat. I'd never really recorded myself, and I don't know much about music producing and mixing and stuff, but I'm going to learn as I go along, so, but, yeah, the main reason I posted that video is because I was practicing, I was auditioning for an advanced mixed choir at my school, so, it's called Signiture Sound, and I just want to say that I got in, and I found out this past Monday night, and it was so surreal that I got in and everything, since this is my first year in a choir in a long time. So, and it's just I never, I didn't think it would happen, but even still, it's great, and I've been told that I was wanted in there, that people wanted me to go in there, and that's that feeling is so surreal, and it's like it's still hard for me to grasp because I'm, people who know me in real life, I'm, kind of like a stoic, kind of quiet guy in the background, but, just the fact that people want me, like, in that class, in the advanced classes, advanced singing class, choir, it's just see, I can't put it into words, it's so indifferent, I can't, describe it, so, yeah, this week has been like crazy, and I'd almost put it as say it's been one of the best weeks of my life, and getting into that program, and it's all Star Wars, which I'll get into in a sec, and some stuff's been happening at school, not related to me, but I can't really go too much into it, but for those who go to Franklin, you know what's going on, so, but yeah, it's been crazy, so. And it's just so. See, I can't even put it into words, gosh. So. And last night, me and Ryan, we went up to theater and saw Star Wars: The Force Awakens, and my God, I was blown away, and like I'm not gonna spoil anything here, so I won't spoil anything. So for those who haven't seen it, if you haven't seen it, you better go see it. So it was mind blowing, to be honest. It was it was pretty mind blowing. I can't really say much without spoiling it, but just see it. So everything has its quirks, but whatever. And lastly, I want to talk about growing this channel. And recently we hit 58 subscribers, and I know that's not a lot, like at all, but for a long time, if you remember, we were stuck at 48 subscribers for like months, almost a year. We were stuck at that number, and I was so sick of it. Sometimes it went down actually, and then it finally hit 50, and I was like, wow. And then suddenly it all jumped to 58, which was at it now, and it's so crazy to think that it's like this channel can still grow, and you guys can help make it grow. You can share my videos around and share this channel around, and I want to make good, exciting content for you guys. So, and if you have suggestions for that, please let me know and everything. And it's just I can't put into words of how I have been feeling this past week. So it's just so crazy, but you know we can